Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about OGC mining, where you can see my real OGC balance. You can see my OG point here. As soon as you click here, this type of interface will open in front of you. Here you can check everything. Here my wallet has been successfully led. To add wallet you have to click here. As soon as you click, this type of interface will open in front of you. Your EVM address should be added here. I have been added. You can also add Tone and Solon address. Or to be eligible for the drop, you have to complete social tax. To complete, you will have to click here. As soon as you click, this type of interface will open in front of you. You have to connect your Telegram, Twitter, Discord.
Can you connect this also? It is compulsory for you to complete 3 tasks. After this we came to the wallet option. Here you can see my real OGC. 1900 something my OGC. It is ready to be claimed here. Here you can see how much I have earned from daily grab and have earned some work from partner apps. And I have earned 0 from the team. You can see their total supply is 1 billion. After this only 1 billion has been spent in his grabbed. That's why the Minnesoting is closed right now. Here I have 28k something OGC, it is OGC points. I have 0 from the team, because I have 0 references. Now we will see their official tweet. Where have these people done? Their snapshot is complete. After this, when will we get to see the results? It is clearly written here. After verified you will get a check mark. If you have completed their criteria. You have to fulfill the criteria 100%. What's next after this? If you have not completed the social task, so your tokens will be burned. And if you have been active in the month of November, then your token will be burned. The next task is to customize the leaderboard, and rewards will be distributed. If you liked the video, then please like it.